Biglang naputol yung vlog ko.
They're not good for dinos. Aha! There's a here. Blue lilies. But I don't have any dino medicine with me.
Wow.
We've
Naliligo
got to
pala
get a message to Mom. You're right.
Diyan.
Daddy!
Walang carrot case. Walang carrot cake. Naputol lang guys yung ano na vlog. Ano ba? So, bibili lang si Sinamura kay Hello Kitty. Ang pambake.
Come on, we've got emergency.
Pabili ako Hello Kitty. Ano yan? Sinamura. Pabili ako na
What's she doing, man?
skincare,
She has a bit of a temperature. She's been eating
flowers,
Lotus birds. She's got a dino-sized tummy ache, I bet.
My
eggs,
medical book says it cures moon lilies, but I don't have any.
sugar,
Something for that. What?
and toppings. Ito na lang.
Only 2 left.
Hindi.
And they're very small. Not nearly enough for
Sige,
a sick
dun
one.
lang ako. Kukuha ko dun.
We'll go pick some more.
Well, they're not easy to find. Pa found these ones out in Coffee Valley. But the last time I
Masakit
went
muna
looking, I
natin
had
ito.
no luck. The Compies love
Mamaya
to eat them.
bibilin ko.
We'll find them. Right, Dino Ranchers?
Right. Okay, take this
Punta ka
one
sa
so you know what
bali.
you're looking for. I'll stay here and look after our patient until you get back. Remember, where there's Compies, you'll probably find moon lilies.
Yan, nandito na agad siya. Ay, naku,
There's Coffee Valley. How are we gonna find that tiny flower and all that?
Kasi meron silang
Borrow your
connection
binoculars?
dito.
Sure, but they're not powerful
So,
enough to see those little flowers from up here.
nagawa pa lang siya. Pagkintay kay siya.
Huh?
Ang gagawa natin ng birthday cake si
Find some poppies, and they'll lead us to the lilies. There! I'm
si
so
Kuromi.
surprised.
Eto yung nagkakarnibal, hindi naliligo. Ay, baliktad. Hindi naliligo dito, yung Kuromi nagkakarnibal. So, gagawin. Eggs. Flowers. Hindi, flowers. Eggs.
Sure is. Can you hold us up, Tango?
Sugar. Then some
No coffee.
carrots.
And no moon lilies either. Nothing could grow here.
Hindi,
I
i-blend
was
ko.
sure I saw copies.
Flavor
This is
na
harder than I
carrots.
thought. We better get moving. It'll be dark soon.
Gamitin
If
natin.
it's hard to find the moon lilies now, it'll be impossible to find them at night. We'll find them. We have to. Mom and that poor Mama Bronto are counting on us.
Ito guys. Para makita nyo. Lagyan natin dito. Ito siya guys.
I can't find copies or moon lilies anywhere. How about you, Miguel? Still looking. Nothing yet. If we don't find those lilies,
Titikman
Mom will
muna
tell
niya.
Brontosaurus.
Tinitikman.
Yes. Don't give up, men. We can do this. We're Dino Ranchers. No, but it's getting late. Seems like
Yan,
you can
okay
only
na
get
daw.
coffee when you don't need
So,
one.
kailangan na natin ito.
Wait a minute. The Dino treats. Those copies came out of
Patikman
nowhere.
natin sa
Treats,
naliligo.
right? Yeah, that's how we'll
O,
find
tikman mo.
them and the moon lilies. Good idea, man.
Malikot to eh. Ay, malito. Ano ba yan? Nabubulol ako. Malikot. Hindi kasi malikot. Ay, hindi kasi malikot.
It's working.
So, i-oven na natin.
Oh no, I dropped the moon lily. You're getting away with it. Oh no, you don't.
I love guys. Oh my god, it's a carrot cake. Tatago muna natin to sa may tray. So, Ang paborito niya pa. Bili kaya tayo kay Hello Kitty na
Now we don't have any
chicheria
Brontosaurus.
na
We'll find
masarap.
Yeah.
Kasi yun yung pinaka-paborito niya.
Looks like
So,
we just
tinapon ko na
searched
guys yung sugar,
Now it's dark.
flowers,
We'll never be
egg.
finding
So, tatlo lang ang binili ko.
Moomalies.
Lalagay lang
Why
natin.
are they called moomalies? Wait.
Magbili na naman ako Hello Kitty. Ano yan?
The moomalies glow.
Balloon.
I've got an idea. Follow me.
Macaron.
Then
Lollipop.
we're back where we started, which is the best.
Sweet cherry. Gummy bear. Magkano lahat? Bale, free lang pag sa'yo. Balik ko na. Ayan. Pinalot ko na. So, binalot na daw ni Hello Kitty.
No wonder Mom couldn't find them. Come on, Dino Ranchers. Let's ride.
Ito na dito.
Looking for something to do? Why not start a band? All you need is to gather some friends. Join Buzz, Lark, Neo, and Carlos as they explore all kinds of music. And so can you. Let the music chase your blues away with Mini Beat Power Rockers every night 6 p.m. on Cartoonito.
Tapos,
Nature is the perfect place to relax, breathe in some fresh air, listen to the birds sing, and take the most adorable selfie.
guys, hindi na to
Give back to
ginagawa.
the planet by helping to protect
Ano,
nature.
nilalagay
If you
na
see litter,
lang
pick it up and toss it into a
Guys,
garbage can
kala
or
nyo ano
recycling
to.
bin. Trash can also get swept into our waterways during storms. Nicely done, Titans. The compost part of the
So,
trash can
guys,
actually be used to
itong
support
teddy
plant
bear.
growth. Planting trees is a great way to have
Ito
full
guys,
shade
fake
and
lang
fresh
to.
air. Trees are responsible
Joke lang.
for creating the air that we breathe, giving us shade when it's too hot. Whenever you can, walk or ride a bike instead of driving a car. Cars burn gas that warms the planet, while bikes are more fun
Ito din.
and can take you on adventures.
Hindi ko pa nagpapadulas.
We can all do our part to make the planet healthier and safer. Visit SafeStepSkids.com to learn more today.
So, si Sinamuro. Ay, hindi. Balikan natin ito. Kanino ko to.
I'm so tired of being wet.
Oh, I got the rope.
You had this the whole time?
Yeah. Let me see. Just gonna do it.
May ginagawa na ito.
Okay, not the best with rope.
Nawawala yung ducky, guys. Kasi may duck. So,
Rita! Is this gonna get any better?
Hey, not my truck.
kahit wala siyang buhok, guys.
Get up and get out under the big sky. There's a whole park filled with awesome animal adventures waiting for you. So come along, make new friends, and swing into action.
I'm Ranger ready to get outside!
Ranger Rock, every day 8 a.m. on Cartoonito.
Yan, ang daming handa, guys. Sa rep lang to, rep to. Warin, intak. Wap. So, guys, dito na pala nagtatapos. Sorry. dito na pala nagtatapos kasi bumalik na yung paborito kong pinapanood. So guys, bukas na lang kasi Sabado bukas. Ano ba to? Yung mga labas-labas. Dito na lang. Bye-bye! Birthday pa naman ngayon ni Karami. Karami! Sinamura. Pampar. Ito pa rin naman ako. Paggulo na naman. Bukas. Talaga guys. Maglilinis ako bukas na umaga. Samahan niyo ako tapos mag-homework ako ng math. Sinamura? Hello Kitty.
Very impressive. It's perfect. Okay, see you soon.
Melody.
We have a
Sinamura.
job to do, and it's on a
Wala siyang pinto dito.
gang. We've been hired by Brenda Buzzard to build a new nest for her family high up in a tree. She wants one
Ano?
and five
Ay,
small
naku.
nests for the kiddos.
Naku.
Imagine the perfect buzzard home.
So, una, ito, tapos ito. So, kaka-order namin lang nito ng nakaraan. Tapos, gahapon, kala ko, dumating na. Kasi sabi ng mama ko, dadating na. Hindi na, kinabukasan. Na-excited ako. Okay. Guys. Medyo magandala ako sa inyo. Sorry. Nanonood na ako. Okay. Ay, naku. Lock na yan.
There's stuff to do, it's time to create. Hey, it's gonna be great. Come, let's go. Answer the call, there's no budget to bring us home.
Okay. Bye guys. See you tomorrow.